From the moment our paths crossed, I felt something change inside me, a knowing that you were going to be something extraordinary in my life. With every smile, every moment, both big and small, and every shared memory, I found myself falling more and more in love with you. I will lift you up when you feel weak. I will celebrate you when you feel strong. I vow to love you wholeheartedly, honorably, faithfully, and for the rest of my life.
I first fell in love with the sound of your laugh, bold and contagious. It could light up a room or even the quiet mornings we have together. I vow to build a life with you, not just one the world sees, but one made in our quiet mornings, shared meals, and inside jokes. I love you and I can't wait for a lifetime of laughter, love, and everything in between too.
Brett, do you take this ring as a symbol of Jinelle's love?
Yes.
Jinelle, do you take this ring as a symbol of Brett's love?
Yes.
You may now kiss the bride.
Brett, thank you for loving our daughter. As parents, we couldn't ask for anything more.
Here's to their love, their friendship, and the beautiful life ahead of them. Cheers.
And the love that you share is the kind of love that lasts a lifetime.
Brett, thank you for loving my sister with such kindness and understanding.
The connection between you two was obvious right away, and it made it so easy to love and accept you.
May your home always be a place of warmth and laughter, and may you continue to support one another as you begin the next chapter together.
We will never really be able to fully express how much that means to us that you've all come here.
So tonight, let's celebrate not just our marriage, but the friendships, the family, and love that surround us all.